What's up everybody, Android here. So, the latest Huawei Mate 60 Pro has created a positive noise in the market, especially in China where consumers have been lining up to make a reservation all day today, and each person needs to wait for like 10 to 20 minutes for his or her turn to buy the Huawei Mate 60 Pro. Well, people are buying it just because of the newly introduced Kirin chipset, and you know what? According to the latest information, Huawei and China's top chip maker SMIC have built this new advanced 7nm processor to power its latest smartphone. I told you in my previous video that the Huawei Mate 60 Pro is actually a 5G smartphone, but many people were wondering that I was not speaking the truth. Well, Chinese people started posting several 5G test videos of the Huawei Mate 60 Pro versus the Apple iPhone 14 series, and guys, just look at this video. They are basically testing the internet speed of both smartphones, and as you can see, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro is much faster than the iPhone 14 series, and I would say now Apple should be worried because Huawei is now all set to take Apple's place in China, as there was only one thing missing that was stopping people to buy the Huawei phones in China, and that was 5G. And now that problem is also solved. Plus, I don't know how Huawei achieved this kind of speed in the Mate 60 series, because it was clear that the company can't get 5G chipsets due to the US sanctions, but somehow they managed to make their own chipset, and now I am 100% sure that the Huawei's Mate 60 series is actually 5G. Therefore, Huawei is making this chipset top secret, and they have a massive quantity of these chipsets too. Because a few days ago, an input suggested that Huawei has sufficient quantity for the Kirin 9000S chipset. The company has already placed large orders for chip production, and production won't be affected due to the chip. Right now, Huawei has not confirmed any of these in the official statement, but the Chinese tech maker is yet to introduce the Huawei Mate 60 series officially on stage, and it could happen in the mid-September. We might see more information about this new chipset at the conference. But surely, Apple is worried because Huawei might take its place in China. So yeah, what do you think about this amazing speed of the Huawei's Mate 60 Pro when it comes to the 5G? Well, do let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.